Welcome back, curious minds, to another exciting journey into the realm of agriculture. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of oil palm fruit farming. From its humble origins to becoming a powerhouse in the global market, the journey of oil palm fruit is nothing short of fascinating. So, grab your virtual boots, because we're about to embark on a step-by-step adventure into the heart of this lucrative industry. First things first, let's get acquainted with our star player, the oil palm. Originating from West Africa, this remarkable tree has found its way into plantations across the tropics. Known scientifically as Elias guineensis, the oil palm thrives in hot, humid climates, making it a staple crop in countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and Nigeria. To kickstart your oil palm fruit farming journey, you'll need to get your hands on some quality seeds. These seeds, often referred to as palm nuts, are carefully selected for their genetic traits and potential yield. Once acquired, they are planted in nursery beds and nurtured until they develop into sturdy seedlings ready for transplantation. Location. It's not just a mantra for real estate. When it comes to oil palm fruit farming, selecting the right plot of land is crucial. Areas with well-drained soil and ample sunlight, as these conditions are optimal for oil palm cultivation. Additionally, proximity to water sources for irrigation and transportation is a significant consideration. With your plot selected and seedlings ready, it's time to plant with precision. Digging the planting holes at precise intervals, typically around 9 meters apart, ensures optimal spacing for the oil palms to grow without competing for nutrients and sunlight. Careful attention to detail during the planting process sets the foundation for a thriving plantation in the years to come. Once planted, your oil palm trees require consistent care and maintenance to reach their full potential. Regular irrigation, fertilization, and pest control are essential to ensure healthy growth and maximum yield. Additionally, proper pruning and weed management help optimize sunlight exposure and airflow within the plantation. The moment you've been patiently waiting for, the harvest. Oil palm fruits typically take about 2 to 3 years to mature before they are ready for harvesting. With their bright orange hues dangling from the trees, it's time to swing into action and gather nature's bounty. Whether done manually or with the help of mechanical harvesters, careful handling ensures the quality of the fruits remains intact. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, a whirlwind tour through the enchanting world of oil palm fruit farming. From humble beginnings to bountiful harvests, the journey of the oil palm is a testament to the power of agriculture to transform landscapes and livelihoods alike. So, whether you're a seasoned farmer or an eager enthusiast, consider adding oil palm fruit farming to your repertoire. Who knows? Your next great adventure might just be waiting in the heart of a plantation. Until next time, happy farming!